The question is, how long do replacement windows last? And the answer is, it depends on the replacement window. My mom and dad's windows, their house was built in the 1930s. I replaced their windows not because the windows were bad, but because the windows had no efficiency. They were single glass. So they were still solid wood frame windows, but single glass, no issues. I had a 1992 home that the wood windows really went bad after 7 years. They were rotted out, the sills were bad, the seals had gone bad on a few windows because the sash frames were going bad. So it's just the difference in the material in that case, but it's also the materials that different window companies come with. I remember when they started building homes with vinyl windows, and I was in the replacement window business at that time, and I was nervous that, oh my gosh, they're putting vinyl in, vinyl won't ever rot, we'll never replace any more windows. Haha! Vinyl windows are the best friend of replacement window companies because vinyl windows they make them so cheap, so soft, so flimsy that we replace windows in 3- and 4-year-old homes now, which is astounding to me that you have a 3- or 4-year-old home that you're replacing windows in. But I can honestly say I replaced water heaters in a 7-year-old home. It's just the way of the world. So it depends on what grade of product you're put in. It depends on how it was installed, but it also depends on the elements. It's like if, we'll go into homes where the north side windows aren't as bad as the rest of the house because they don't get the sun. And then you go look at the south or the west, or in some cases the east sun side, and it's like, oh my God, your windows are terrible. And it's because the sun ravages them, beats them up, whether it's wood or vinyl or whatever, it's affected by that. And so there's a myriad of things, but it's like anything. You can get a high-end product and you can get a low-end product. And it's most often in home improvement, it's you get what you pay for. Like I have a great line that I heard when I first got in this business, and I use it all the time. Most often, and again, there's always exceptions to every rule, but most often the only thing you get for less is less. So it's like if they're selling a product cheaper, it's not because they're doing it out of the kindness out of their heart, it's because they found a way to make it cheaper. They used it, like, I'm blown away by this. There are companies that build windows, and when the glass meets to the frame, instead of using a sealant, which will keep moisture out and seal the glass to the frame, they use double-sided tape, where it's, tape on the, adhesive on both sides, and it sticks the glass to that. Well, tape's on paper, which is an organic material, so when water gets into that paper, it absorbs it, and then it creates mold, and then it turns pink and orangey color, and you'll go by homes and you'll see where they've got orange mold growing around that, the frame and the glass, and it's because they use tape. And it's just, but they saved a nickel. So to answer that question exactly, the average replacement window, maybe 10 years, but again, there's so many variables. If it's a big window, it's not that long. If it's a small window, it could be longer. So I mean, it's just a lot of different things, but it's very much home improvement as you get what you pay for.